In this video, we are testing some antennas and microstrip components using spectrum analyzer and vector network analyzer to analyze return loss, VSWR, impedance, etc. So, this is introduction video. I will give you list of videos. Please watch our all videos. See, this is first video 1.0, that is introduction. Then Yagi-Uda antenna, return loss, VSWR, Smith chart we will find out. And next, that is 1.1, 1.2 dipole antenna, also same thing. Then power divider, return loss, VSWR, Smith chart. In Smith chart we will find impedance and power division and isolation characteristics. And then we will check one matched load, 50 ohms matched load. So, for that also we will check return loss, VSWR, impedance and all. Next, we have ring resonator, resonance characteristic, we will check it, and directional coupler. There also we have return loss, VSWR, Smith chart, and coupling and isolation characteristic of microstrip directional coupler. So, this is the list of videos. This is introduction video, and then you have come totally 1.6 up to 1.0 to 1.6 means 7 videos. Please watch our all videos. So, here we have Yagi-Uda antenna, dipole antenna, ring resonator, power divider, directional coupler and match load, 50 ohms match load, and male to male and female to female connectors. So, 2 cables, SMA male to SMA male cables, 2 numbers. So, then we have an instrument to test all this, spectrum analyzer including vector network analyzer. So, both operation it will do. So, I will show you, I will remove all this. So, now you are seeing only spectrum analyzer. I removed all components. We will test one by one. So, first upon, this model is FPC1500 Spectrum Analyzer, rohde&schwarz company. In this spectrum analyzer, we have, see, if you go to these are the keypads: frequency, span, amplitude, marker, bandwidth, sweep, trace, lines. This camera we can take a screenshot, measurements, mode, setup, save and recall, preset, and keypad to select any frequency or amplitude levels. So, in this we go to mode. So, first we go to mode. There you observe we have a spectrum, analog demode, digital demode, receiver, and one more is vector network analyzer, fifth one. So, spectrum, analog demode, digital demode, receiver and vector network analyzer. These are the 5 modes available in this instrument. So, we will check one by one. So, suppose if you go to spectrum, you have a center frequency, step size, start frequency, stop frequency. So, we can select this and do the experiments. So like that, if you go to measurement, you have a measurements and source. Here you have a source lost. So in this instrument, tracking generator also there. There is a tracking generator. You can turn off the source. Then if you want to turn on CW, continuous wave with single frequency measure, and coupled CWI means also continuous wave. It is related with center frequency. And tracking generator is whatever you are selecting the frequency to operate that range. Suppose I am selecting to 2 gigahertz to 3 gigahertz, then it will operate in that range only. So these are the three modes available. So next, if I go to receiver is there, vector network analyzer is a unlock demode. So here FM, AM all are there. And next, digital demode, ASK, FSK, I diagram all are there. Then receiver, if you go to receiver, here is one speaker. So in this speaker we can demodulate FM stations also. I will reduce the volume demodulation of. I can change the volume 97%. I will make it 0. Now I am not hearing. On 10% I will keep 10%. Go to marker. We can demodulate FM stations, FM radio station. You select FM and then you go to frequency and select related station frequency, then you will hear that radio station. I will show you. Because I am not connected any wire here, I need one wire as it acts as an antenna. See, if I remove it will not come. I will select the amplitude increase. I will keep it 100. See, minus 78 is the receiving power, 98.3 frequency. I will show you that frequency is 98.3 selected, that channel. So I will connect one wire. This is input, this is tracking generator output, this is a generator output, and this is receiver. So I have to connect here this wire. So song is coming, the channel is decoded. If I change that frequency, it will not come. So I will change that frequency, 98.4. So 98.5, it's not coming. I will go to 101. This is 104. So that channel also, wire is disconnected. I can connect this wire so I can listen song. So I will show these channels in spectrum also. Whatever your FM channels are coming, I will remove this antenna. So this wire is working as antenna for your FM. So we will go to modes. In this mode, go to spectrum. You select around 80. Now I am selected spectrum. Go to mode, select spectrum. This is the spectrum from 1.5 gigahertz to 3 gigahertz. So I will show you FM channels. So go to frequency, start frequency around 80 megahertz. You select here mega. I selected 80 megahertz and stop frequency 110 megahertz. See, I will go to markers. I will take one marker. See, this is 91. First one 91. You go to next marker. I am moving. That is 91.9. I am moving marker to next channel. See 92.6, 93, 92.7, this one 92.7. Just I am rotating this. After selecting the marker, this marker, I am rotating this, marker will move. So this is one more channel is there, 93.5, see, and next this one in between, here also one, that is 94 something is there. Next channel is 95 is there, and further there is no channels in between. Here is the next one, 98.3. yes, 98.3 is one channel, and I will come to here, that is 102.9, this one, and next this is 104. So these are your FM channels on spectrum. By connecting one antenna, wire antenna, I am getting all this channel. I will remove this wire now. After removing this wire, what happens? You see, you are not able to see that signal gone. So in this spectrum analyzer, we will do all other experiments. Power divider, ring resonators, directional coupler, antennas. We will check one by one. Watch all videos. Thank you.
Please contact us for demo, quotations, service, projects, internship for students.